What are ketogenic foods? What is ketogenic diet? These are many more questions I will be answering in this video. But if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, then under this video to your right, you will see a red subscribe button. I want you to click it just once. And when you do that, there will be a notification bell icon that will pop up. I want you to click it just once as well. Yes. A ketogenic diet for beginners. A keto or ketogenic diet is a very low-carb diet which can help you burn fat more effectively. Many people have already experienced its many proven benefits for weight loss, health, and performance. Here you will learn how to eat a keto diet based on real foods. You will find visual guides, recipes, meal plans, and a simple 2-week get started program. All you need to succeed on keto. What is the keto diet? We make it simple to understand a keto diet and do it right using our video course above. What keto means? The keto in a ketogenic diet comes from fact that it allows the body to produce small fuel molecules called ketones. This is an alternative fuel source for the body, used when blood sugar is in short supply. Ketones are produced if you eat very few carbs that are quickly broken down into blood sugar and only moderate amounts of protein. Excess protein can also be converted to blood sugar. The liver produces ketones from fat. These ketones then serve as fuel source throughout the body, especially for the brain. The brain is a hungry organ that consumes lots of energy every day, and it can't run on fat directly. It can only run on glucose or ketones. On a ketogenic diet, your entire body switches its fuel supply to run mostly on fat, burning fat 24/7. When insulin levels become very low, fat burning can increase dramatically. It becomes easier to access your fat stores to burn them off. This is great if you're trying to lose weight, but there are other less obvious benefits, such as less hunger and a steady supply of energy. This may help keep you alert and focused. When the body produces ketones, it enters a metabolic state called ketosis. The fastest way to get there is by fasting, not eating anything, but nobody can fast forever. A keto diet, on the other hand, can be eaten indefinitely and also results in ketosis. It has many of the benefits of fasting, including weight loss, without having to fast. So, who should not do a ketogenic diet? There are controversies and myths about a keto diet, but for most people it appears to be safe. There are, however, 3 groups of people that often require special consideration. If you take medicine for diabetes, example insulin, do you take medications for high blood pressure? Do you breastfeed? Are you a doctor, or do you need your doctor to help with medications on keto diet? 2. What to eat on a keto diet. Here are typical foods to enjoy on a keto diet. The numbers are net carbs, that is digestible carbs, per 100 grams. To remain in ketosis, lower is generally better. The most important thing for reaching ketosis is to avoid eating too many carbs. You will probably need to keep carb intake under 50 grams per day of net carbs, ideally below 200 grams. The fewer carbs, the more effective it appears to be of reaching ketosis, losing weight, or reversing type 2 diabetes. Counting carbs can be helpful at first, but if you stick to our recommended foods and recipes, you can stay keto even without counting. Here is what you avoid on a keto diet. Carbs containing a lot of sugar and starch. This includes starchy foods like bread, pasta, rice, and potatoes. These foods are very high on carbs. The numbers are grams of net carbs per 100 grams, unless otherwise noted. This means that on a keto diet, you basically need to avoid sugary foods completely, as well as starchy foods like bread, pasta, rice, and potatoes. Also avoid processed foods and instead follow our keto diet advice. Furthermore, the food should primarily be high in fat and only moderately high in protein, as excess protein can be converted to blood sugar in the body. Avoid low-fat diets. A rough guideline is about 5% energy from carbohydrates. The fewer carbs, the more effective. 15 to 25% from protein and around 75% from fat. So, what to drink? What to drink on a keto diet? Water is a perfect drink, and coffee or tea are fine too. Ideally, use no sweeteners, especially not sugar. A small amount of milk or cream is your coffee or tea is okay. The occasional glass of wine is fine too. A diet meal plans. Here are 2 weeks worth of recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner on a ketogenic diet. 14-day keto diet plan. Get 80 plus prepared weekly keto meals plans, complete with all recipes, shopping lists, and more, with our premium meal planner tool. Our prepared meal plans include quick and easy budgets and family-friendly weeks. Our meal planner includes the ability to change meals to any of our hundreds of recipes, skip meals, or even construct your own keto meal plans from scratch using our recipes and share them. How low carb is a keto diet? The fewer carbs you eat, the more effective it seems to be for weight loss, appetite suppression, and type 2 diabetes reversal. A keto diet is a very strict low-carb diet containing less than 20 grams of net carbs per day, and thus it tends to be highly effective. Here are 3 possible examples of how low-carb meals can look based on how many carbs you aim to eat in a day. We recommend starting out by following the dietary advice as strictly as you can. When you are happy with your weight and health, you could carefully try eating a few more carbs. For everything you need to get started, eating plans, shopping lists, daily tips, and troubleshooting, you can click this. Why to eat a keto diet? The health benefits. The benefits of a keto diet are similar to those of other low-carb diets, but it appears to be more powerful than liberal low-carb diets. Think of keto as a supercharged low-carb diet, maximizing the benefits. However, it can also be harder to do, and it may increase the risk of side effects a bit. You will lose weight. Turning your body into a fat-burning machine can be beneficial for weight loss. Fat burning is significantly increased, while insulin, the fat-storing hormone levels, drop greatly. This appears to make it far easier for body fat to occur without hunger. More than 30 high-quality scientific studies show that, compared to other diets, low-carb and keto diets result in more effective weight loss. Appetite control. On a keto diet, you are likely to gain a new control over your appetite. When your body burns fat 24/7, it has constant access to weeks or months of stored energy, significantly reducing feelings for hunger. It's a very common experience, and studies prove it. This makes it easy to eat less and lose weight excess. Just wait until you are hungry before you eat. It also makes intermittent fasting easier, something that can supercharge efforts to reverse type 2 diabetes and speed up weight loss beyond effect of keto only. Plus, you will save tons of time and money by not having to snack all the time. Many people only feel the need to eat twice a day on a keto diet, and some just once a day. Not having to fight feelings of hunger could also potentially help with problems like sugar or food addiction, and possibly some eating disorders like bulimia as well. At least feeling satisfied can be part of the solution. Food can stop being an enemy and become your friend, or simply fuel, whatever you prefer. Please check out my other videos on the diet plan for keto diet. Remember to click the red subscribe button directly under this video.